The topic now, hemorrhoid.
Hemorrhoid now like swelling around the anus and our region. Talk about the causes of hemorrhoid, and some people they don't even get hemorrhoid, but for your mind you go think say na hemorrhoid you get. Some people you don't even know why they get them. I talk to some people e dey their family. Some people woman wey get belle fit get am. Some people because they go toilet you get constipation. Some people you go enter inside toilet you go sit down for toilet with your phone for hours. Many things fit cause am. Then your diet too. Now wetin be the symptoms? Some people when dem go toilet after you don almost finish you see blood for toilet, or you clean up you see blood for your tissue paper. That one fit be sign. Or say you dey notice pain, or you dey notice say anytime you wear boxers you wear pants you dey feel say e dey wet, all those kind things. Or something come outside until you push am go back e no go inside, or e come out e no dey go back inside again. These ones na sign say you fit get hemorrhoid. Now some other medical problems dey wey fit look like this kind thing, so make you no go sit down for house allow your neighbor tell you say na hemorrhoid you get, whereas e fit come be another thing for there. You dey hear me? So na im make I come today come put mouth, because I know say many people don disturb me online. Hemorrhoid. How you take even know say you na hemorrhoid you get? Na my neighbor na im tell me say I get hemorrhoid. I don take this medicine, I don drink this medicine, e no dey go. Bro, abeg I come beg you today, enter hospital.
Hello, there the phone line.
Hello, good morning.
Morning to you, madam.
Doki, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to ask you, this hemorrhoid, most of the time, pregnancy is to cause it. So how do someone prevent it in that pregnancy period? And another thing is, that pregnancy old, is it inherit? Can we say it's inherit, or is it a lifestyle, or is there same money?
Oh yeah, thank you very much. So for the pregnancy own, no be saying a lifestyle or she inherit am. For some women, we don't notice say when they get belle, because of the pikin wey they form, you get how they get waiting the pikin they press inside the woman body, wey fit make hemorrhoid form. And for most women too, when they born the pikin, that hemorrhoid they go. Why for some if it can still stay extra. So no be say she inherit am or na her lifestyle. Now just say because she get belle, and as the pikin dey grow, get wetin the pikin dey press inside the woman body. A hair na if you can cause am.
I have this emerald for some years now.
Okay.
I'm the one pushing it inside. Though I did test one time. They said I have a peptic ulcer. Is a peptic ulcer? Is peptic ulcer is a problem? There is the one that caused the emerald.
Wait first. You have hemorrhoid for a long time. You don't see doctor, yes or no?
I've seen doctor.
At the hospital or at the lab?
Hospital. I went to the hospital.
So wetin come tell you say cause your hemorrhoid?
He said maybe if I go to toilet I push too much.
So you have your answer there most likely, but ulcer, peptic ulcer no dey cause hemorrhoid, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello. Morning to you, sir. Yeah, morning, sir.
Good morning, Doki.
Good morning.
Doki, I want ask wetin be the symptom of that thing wey you just mentioned, because all those kind of things just dey happen to me. If I go toilet, I dey see blood for my this thing. If I clean yansh, I go see blood.
Okay.
So, and then my anus go dey pain me after toilet.
Okay.
So I be wan ask wetin be the drugs or the thing wey person fit use wey go make those things go.
Okay, thank you very much for this question. I've been wait to hear this person go talk. Say, waiting be the drug, waiting be the treatment.
Okay.
I want, as you dey listen to me now, we know they prescribe drug for radio. Prescribing of drug for social media also, it dey wrong. Because I don't see many people, doctor, I beg go, I get this problem for social media, which medicine make I take? It dey very, very bad. And if you dey into that habit, stop am. Make person no go carry drug give you, we go put you for problem. Sorry, say you dey get the complaint. There are many things that can give you that kind of symptom. Hemorrhoid na just one of them. Some other things dey wey fit make you see blood for your poo-poo, and if you get pain. So wetin I go advise you now, say see doctor, make dem look am, because some people don sit down for house, they take one medicine, take another medicine. By the time dem come, we discover say no be even hemorrhoid, dem get something else wey make we no talk, come make you dey fear. But my best advice for you Now make your doctor check am. The earlier the better. And I beg, good life na sense. Stop to dey look for medicine on social media. See your doctor.
All right, to stop to the look for medicine for social media. See your doctor. The symptoms, uncle.
The symptoms, you go if you get pain, you see blood when you go toilet. Most times this blood now after you don't almost finish to poo, you go see am for inside your toilet. That white thing go spray, or when you clean, you go see blood, or you go get pain, or something if it come out, or if you see say they scratch you, or they make your boxers or even your pants wet. All those things na sign.
Say, doctor, I was a victim of this hemorrhoid, but after a while, I did not see it again.
Correct. Yes.
I did not see it again. Will it come again? Chibuzo from Ibadi asked.
Yeah, Chibuzo, very good one. Some people they lucky, if they do some kind of things, that early stage, you think if you go back, you know, go disturb them. But what you have to do be say, make you watch how you they chop, they drink water, your food, make your poo know the day too solid, make you no go push and come back. And also when you enter toilet, enter there, come out quick. You understand? Make you no go push and back. But in some cases, you might be lucky, you go just move. No, come back.
No, come back.
Yes.
Somebody say her 2-year-old daughter get time. Is it normal?
Madam, I don't go talk to your daughter get them. You know why? Unless say doctor don't really confirm them. We know really they to see them for children. If it day for picking body, we have to be sure say na hemorrhoid. So no allow people make that diagnosis for you for house.
Okay.
Because everybody go tell say na hemorrhoid. If it no be hemorrhoid, if it be skin tag, we get what we call skin tag. Yes. So I beg you, ma, make your doctor check that picking. Make you check out.
I want to answer please because my son usually anytime you go to toilet like that, sometimes you will stop, sometimes you will see blood like that, sometimes you will stop. What am I going to do for it? I don't know. You don't go hospital before, and the thing stop. Don't be say I will complain for another. But when after you sick one sick before, the thing start again.
Waiting then say be the thing where they cause in blood.
No, they just say malaria, whatever that time. Treat all this. So after the 90 thing constant.
Okay, madam, I think your pikin no be malaria be that one. Okay. No be malaria, and I don't know who go tell am say you see blood for toilets come out pain and say na malaria. No be malaria. I beg you. I think he needs to see a more higher doctor. Make them look am better.
All right.
Thank you. Yes. One other thing we want to talk quick. Some people their hemorrhoid they operate them, and people go they work outside. Say if you do operation for hemorrhoid you go die. Na lie you. I beg. Hemorrhoid surgery no they kill because there is this wrong information going out that if they do operation for hemorrhoid you go die. Na lie. Hemorrhoid no they kill. Not allow anybody deceive you for that one. And finally, if you know say you get problem around that region, please see your doctor. Good life. Na sense.
You don't yet see your doctor. Gone. See your doctor. Okay, I go lie if you say see your doctor. Which kind of doctor? Come in the next school, they do what kind of they go say see your doctor. You don't know who the person doctor.
You don't enter that area, big area. Many people they call themselves doctor for the country. They no be doctor. So I beg, most likely enter hospital. Some people go tell say they be doctor for outside. Them no be doctor. And for hemorrhoid, it's important you see a general surgeon. General surgeon. That be the name. General surgeon.
Now that you general, not go see eye doctor, teeth doctor, ear doctor, no waka.
You see a general
I did
surgeon.
tell you yesterday one woman carry case called me for a gate. He said, want to say pikin get problem, not the year where since they born now. Want to say family abandon. I call corner, so give me your in-law number. I call them. They say they want her when she want born. When she go better hospital, she can't go some kind of place go born. He born now they could be twins and premature. One call that on the spot. This one called it for that. And when she go born, they not get incubator. They got kind of go another place. Since the boys one, I know the year older than 2 years and some 2 years and some months. Now you can imagine.
Yeah.
You know, I beg.
That
make I say which kind of doctor? So doctor
you
fire
know.
now.
Yeah. So general surgeon.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk Mouth.